I'm really happy these didn't get modernized. Oh yeah, and they're not locked off either. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, here we go. These are actually TAC 50, I think. All right. Do the down chime. Oh, it left. LOL. Anyway. Here's what the guest floor looks like. It's nice. Doesn't, oh, we get the same one. It came right back. Hello. All right, and then here's the cab. Honestly, I really like these. These are awesome. These are very neat. We're gonna go back up to 33.
I'll show you what we have. Okay.
Are you going up? Yes. What floor?
We are going to 28.
Oh, you got it. Okay.
I think we have a grand suite available. Again, I don't know if this will be available during the dates of your stay, but I can show it to you.
Okay.
Because we may have like something else. We also have like a Skyline suite.
Okay.
Obviously, they'd be different rates,
Right.
but you kind of paint a picture.
Okay.
Especially if I show you the exact name, you don't think it's large enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take care.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You as well. The phone. Yes, older Otis phone with the key switches in there. And they haven't gotten the new certificate yet, so I can't see the speed. I'll have to speed test it myself. I want to say probably these are probably like 800, 700. It's got the older style key switch. Anyway, hold on, let's get that chime. Neat. Anyway, that's it.